What's up guys, Colin with Kill Mode, and in this video we're installing a Catless Downpipe from VRSF and my buddy's BMW M235i. He currently has catted stock downpipes, but he does have a resonator delete. So excited to see how it sounds. I'm gonna head to the shop and then we'll get started. All right, so that was a before sound clip with the catted downpipe, the factory one. I'll give some, of course, a after clip. Once we get the Catless downpipe on, he also has some tips that came in, so we're gonna put those on, the M Performance ones. But just open the garage, gonna let him pull in, and then we'll get started. Actually, we're gonna let it cool down and go to lunch, and then we'll get started. All right, so we got the old downpipe with the cat out. The factory one, this is the VRSF Catless downpipe. I'm going to go ahead and swap over the O2 sensors. It's important to get them in the right position, and then I'm going to get the downpipe thrown in the car. Alright guys, so this is going to be the first start. It sounds really good. This tip is not fastened. Okay, hang on.
What?
There's people next door in the office. It's pretty loud. It's not bad, but it sounds really good. We were able to get that tip tightened.
Oh, it smells so good.
But not that one.
It smells good.
Because, yeah, the clamps are messed up.
That pulse are pretty mean.
Yeah, it's pretty aggressive. It's quite a lot. All right, 10 out of 10 on the sound. I don't hear any exhaust leaks. No, everything's smooth. Everything's good up here. Yeah, it sounds really good. Alright, so he's running one stock tip and one M Sport tip. Tell us about that situation.
Just don't question it. We already boxed them, so it's okay.
Yeah, basically we've got to do some more work to make that one work. So yeah, it's going to be what it's going to be for tonight. But he's going to start it up, back it out, and we'll go for a ride.
Trying to be quiet and sneaky.
Alright, you're good now. Alright, the pops are a little more than we were expecting, but it sounds good. I like it.
Feels different driving it, like a whole different car. It's weird. I gotta get used to it.
Alright. The pops are really nice. Oh my god.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Wow. So the pops are pretty extreme actually.
Oh, I love that noise. Which I check out?
Just go. Yeah, go right.
BMWs are using blinkers. What do you know?
We can do that. Starting to rain. And yeah, I'm sure it's going to have an oil coating on it that it'll have to burn off on the downpipe. So.
That's ridiculous.
It sounds really good. It's actually not too loud in here.
You say that. Which is I go?
You'll go right at the light again.
It's torquey.
If you barely tap the gas, see if it pops more. You gotta downshift. Yeah. if you, that's a hack by the way. If you just barely
tap the gas,
tap the gas. It's straight up raining now. See how excessive you can make it pop.
Doesn't want to.
Oh no, once you street. It's done popping? Nope.
Okay. Glad I didn't go. Is that Mr. Policeman?
Nah.
That sounds insane. Can I check engine light by the way?
Not yet. No check engine light yet, but we'll probably come. Although my friend Jaden, who may see this video, what's up dude, it's right there. He's been running a Catless Downpipe on his M2 for probably 2 or 3 weeks, and he doesn't have a check engine light, so
cool.
It came and then went. But yep, guys, that's the Catless Downpipe and half exhaust tip install on a N55 F22 2 Series. So that's it. I'm sure I'll see him later at a meet, maybe, hopefully, and we'll see. Hopefully the rain doesn't get worse. So, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like the video, and big turbo install on the 235i coming soon. Bye.